Right, so here I'm officially down at the Forest Recreation Ground, where it's officially too dark to see anything. But I'm gonna go down and check it out in a minute. There's a few rides there just been put up. They're starting to set up all where the firework display is gonna be, and they're putting the fencing round and setting up where all the rides are going to be on this part over here. So yeah, it should be a good night. So yeah, people, get yourselves down here and enjoy your bonfire night. It is going to be epic, so hopefully everyone gets down, enjoys themselves, and take care and stay safe, and have a safe journey travelling. Let's go check out the ride area. Right, so as you can basically see, there's only like 1 or 2 rides set up at the minute, but they are getting round to setting the rest up. But yeah, it'll all be done by the 5th, ready for everyone to come down and have a amazing time, as always. It's not as big as Goose Fair, but you know, still have fun. I can see, I don't think they brought the super spin back, or you know, but just gotta wait till next year for that. So yes, as you can see, they are setting up the rides and the whole area set for the bonfire display. So yeah, get down there and enjoy it while it's here. It's only for 1 day a year, so you know, don't miss out. Still some good stuff here, some good rides.